Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Horsehead Walker from the Dead West set. They were black and white zenithally primed, and to get started I used Scorched Earth as the base coat for the chaps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get the Horsehead and the jeans base coated using lead grey. For the base colour of the shirt, I went with Carcharodon grey. Since this is out, I also used it to dry brush the raised parts of the hair on the horse head. Getting the skin done now, I use dead flesh. All the leather belts and straps now get a quick once over with Wasteland brown. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. Moving on to the highlights, I grabbed Noble Steed Brown and went over all of the raised and flat areas on the chaps. To push the shirt towards white, I use silver grey just to bring up the tops of the folds. The horsehead needed a little bit more love as well, with a highlight of medium sea grey. For the metal parts, I used gunmetal over all of them. Getting a wash on the mini, I used a light tone wash over everything. Next up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. Finishing up, I added some zombie gore across the mini. And that will be it for the Horsehead Walker, a very easy mini to get painted up, taking just under 20 minutes to get to where it is. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.